Hello! Today I will show you how to share a Google Drive file with anyone on Nothing CMF Phone Pro 2. To start, open Google Drive app and tap three dots next to the file you want to share. Then choose option Share and add people or groups. To do so, you have to write Gmail of the person you want to share with. Next, you have to choose Editor, and you can choose one of the permissions. You can notify people and you can message them. After you are done, click here to send. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.